Hey everybody. Today I want to talk to you about a recipe that I kind of concocted today for making my usual bulletproof coffee. Um, just to start by saying that I don't put any sugar in my bulletproof coffee ever. In fact, I've cut down on sugar, but every once in a while I get a craving, and today I happen to be drinking my coffee and happen to have some of these Trader Joe's dark chocolate peanut butter cups. And for some strange reason, I thought, why not add the two together? So my coffee is brewing right now. Or I've already started my drip coffee. And here I already have coconut milk, grass-fed butter, coconut oil. I usually use MCT, but I'm out of it. And also a concoction of different herbs that I put into my coffee to get rid of the jitters. So you're probably thinking, then why add sugar to this mix if you're trying to get rid of jitters and all this stuff? Well, because sometimes you just gotta have fun. But anyways, what I'm gonna do today is actually mix, and I'm going conservatively here, but I would say 2 peanut butter cups, and just add those into the mixer. I'm gonna blend it, and then I'm gonna come back and tell you exactly how it tastes. Okay, so it just came out of the blender, and I've got to say, if you're a fan of peanut butter cups and you love your coffee and you like making your coffee in a bulletproof fashion, this is an awesome recipe to experiment with. Again, I don't plan or intend to drink this every day because it's just way too much sugar, but every once in a while, if you want to give yourself a treat, this may be a fun one to experiment with. The other thing is, I typically use a Vitamix blender, which is an amazing tool. And I was a little worried because this time I was using someone else's Ninja blender, which doesn't do a great job, and I was a little worried. But I let it blend a little while to make sure that the peanut butter cups melted really well. And I want to report that there's no issue. So just if you don't have a Vitamix or a high power blender, just let it blend a little bit longer and it will dissolve into it, including the peanut butter. There's nothing chalky in there. There's not, again, I use mushroom-based herbs in my coffee anyways already, so I didn't experience anything strange texture-wise in the coffee, but it's delicious. Give it a try. Thanks, everyone. And if you like this content, give it a thumbs up. Thanks.